Best deals. 1. Canister. Features a transparent acrylic window so you can easily identify contents without opening the lid, perfect for everyday convenience. Locks in flavor and aroma, ideal for dry snacks, cereals, pulses, tea, or coffee. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Rice pot drainer. Elevate your rice pot with this stand for quick and effective draining. This kitchen vessel neatly holds your pot while draining excess water. Stand fits various pot sizes. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Cloth washing tub. Suitable for washing small and delicate clothes. The ridged surface of the washboard helps hand wash and remove stains, saving time and effort. You can easily wash the ones you need quickly. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Saucepan. Made from natural stone, ensuring toxin-free cooking with minimal oil, ideal for daily tea, pasta, and soup preparation. From simmering sauces and boiling pasta to reheating leftovers and preparing soups, this all-purpose saucepan does it all. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Gas stove. High-quality brass burners ensure uniform heat distribution, faster cooking, and enhanced fuel efficiency. A sleek, durable, and heat-resistant surface that adds elegance to your kitchen while being easy to clean. Ergonomically designed for effortless flame control. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Containers. Optimize your kitchen storage with our under-shelf containers, turning unused space into valuable storage. The hanging design keeps your countertop clutter-free and organized. Airtight lids ensure your grains, pulses, and other dry foods stay fresh, moisture-proof, and free from dust. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Utensil drying stand. Ideal for storage of wet vessels. The product in display is storage basket or dish drainer made of stainless steel and finished in silver color and ideal to keep utensils. Plastic-coated handles gives your perfect grip, very unique and attractive design, double-wired circular support for superior strength. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Tart pan. Has a special non-stick coating, for convenient use. Product link is given in the eighth link. 9. Butter spreader. Wheel is great for buttering buns before grilling and saves your time and effort, can be used for butter, olive oil, and other liquid sauces. Butter the bread, toast, corn, steak, and other food. Product link is given in the ninth link. 10. Steamer. Designed for effortless steaming, high-quality steamer for cooking is perfect for making momos, dumplings, vegetables, and more. Its multi-purpose design ensures healthy and flavorful meals every time. Its durable design makes it an ideal momos making. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Masala container. Used to keep spices such as cumin seeds, cardamom, garam masala, turmeric powder, red chilies, coriander powder and much more. It can be used to store and serve roti, cookie, papad, khakra, chocolates, cakes, bread or herb canister. Preserves freshness and prevent contamination of spices. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Foil paper cutter. This innovative foil paper cutter and wrap holder dispenser can effortlessly accommodate one roll of plastic wrap, aluminum foil, or parchment paper, along with a paper towel roll. Enjoy the convenience of easy access while maximizing space on your kitchen countertop. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Grater. Smart design with an inbuilt container for effortless food prep. Unique food holder that moves on track for extra comfort and safety. Heavy duty, rust-resistant blades that withholds sharpness for long. Diverse and detachable blades, 5 different options: V-slicer, wavy slicer, julienne, two-way julienne and a fine shredder. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Spoon holder. Serves as an ideal cutlery holder offering ample space for all your utensils. Its versatile design accommodates various cutlery pieces, ensuring your kitchen counter remains tidy and organized. Product link is given in the 14th link. 15. Tofu mold. Used in home to make the paneer in the easiest way and used in more dishes like paneer butter masala, Paneer Tikka, Paneer Manchurian. The paneer mold is durable, easy to clean and their volume is 700 milliliters. Easy maintenance and simple to use. Paneer maker is used to make delicious and hygienic paneer. Product link is given in the 15th link. 16. Electric Citrus Juicer. Designed to make juice extraction effortless for busy women and moms. Equipped with a powerful 90-watt motor, it delivers quiet yet efficient juice extraction without shaking or toppling over. The one-button operation ensures hands-free juicing, making it a perfect upgrade to traditional manual handheld juice squeezers. From lemons, limes, sweet lime, oranges, and grapefruits to other fruits like watermelon, grapes, and tomato, this juicer is versatile enough to handle all your needs. It can handle fruits up to 3.2 inches in diameter, making it the ultimate convenience for busy moms. Product link is given in the 16th link. 17. Cleaning Brush. High-strength PVC bristles maintain shape and performance, delivering superior durability for heavy-duty outdoor cleaning tasks. Durable stainless steel construction offers high strength while remaining lightweight for easy handling and efficient cleaning. Product link is given in the 17th link. 18. Juicer. Crafted with high-grade stainless steel, this lemon squeezer is rust-resistant and this ergonomic hand juicer for fruits steel ensures effortless squeezing with minimal hand fatigue, no electricity required, it's easy to clean and store without occupying extra space. Product link is given in the 18th link. 19. Dispenser. Product link is given in the 19th link. 20. Fan. Use the fan as a standing unit on its stable, non-slip base or mount it on the wall to save space and enjoy reliable cooling in any environment, great for multitasking moms at home or in the office. Easily customize airflow with a convenient control knob, ranging from 1% to 100%, for precise cooling tailored to your comfort. Product link is given in the 20th link. 21. Trash bags. Suitable for home, kitchen, office, hotels, restaurants and outdoor use. Product link is given in the 21st link. 22. Cloth. These microfiber cleaning cloth ideal for kitchen, dusting, cooking, car cleaning, glass and appliances. Dusting cloth made for everyday Indian homes. Kitchen cloth for cooking has advanced fibers attract dust, oil and grime with zero lint. Experience faster, deeper cleaning without chemicals for kitchen platform, slab or counter and table. Product link is given in the 22nd link. 23. Knife set. High carbon stainless steel blades for durability and long-lasting sharpness while providing a precise razor-sharp cutting edge that will keep you slicing time and again. All-in-one complete set of specialized kitchen knives consist of 13 professional knives, kitchen scissors, peeler, a premium quality 2-stage knife sharpeners and a modern acrylic knife stand. The durable non-stick color-coated blades of kitchen knives makes it a breeze to slice and clean. The ergonomically designed knife handle provide you with a superior comfort and non-slip grip for better control and balance. The kitchen knife set with stand includes a cleaver, chef's knife, carving knife, fruit knife, bread knife, utility knife, scissors, peeler, sharpening steel, and a storage rack. Handles veggie prep, meat chopping, and more perfect for all home cooking tasks. The knife set for kitchen use has high carbon stainless steel blades with a non-stick coating that stays sharp, providing precise edges for easy slicing. They are durable, easy to clean, and safe for direct food contact, making cutting effortless. Handle blends seamlessly with the blade, combining style and practicality. Ergonomically designed, the hollow non-slip handle protects hands, offers a comfy grip, and reduces fatigue during long use for better control. Product link is given in the 23rd link. 24. Soap dispenser. The base of the tray frame is hollow and leak-proof, which is suitable for storing residual liquid. When cleaning, it is only necessary to remove the storage compartment and pour out the liquid to clean. Sponge holder for soap dispenser, made of high-quality ABS and PC material. Product link is given in the 24th link. 25. Frying spoon. Premium stainless steel deep fry strainer is designed for deep frying, puri frying, and other cooking tasks, making it an essential kitchen tool for professional chefs and home cooks alike. Perfect for frying utensil you need for frying up your favorite French fries and more. Product link is given in the 25th link. 26. Water bottle. Great for measuring your daily intake of water, reminding you stay hydrated and drink enough water throughout the day. A must-have for any fitness goals including weight loss, appetite control and overall health. Product link is given in the 26th link. 27. Cookware set. The tri-ply construction with an aluminum core sandwiched between two layers of stainless steel ensures even heat distribution. This sturdy design, with a 2.5 mm thickness, prevents burning and supports even cooking. Featuring a non-porous stainless steel cooking surface safe for all utensils, flat and wide bottoms for even heating, and sloped sides for easy tossing and rolling. It's designed for efficient cooking and handling of food. Product link is given in the 27th link. 28. Shirt stacker. The large wardrobe clothes organizer is made of odorless, comfortable, and wear-resistant high-quality non-woven material, with moisture-proof and dust-proof functions, which can protect your clothes from dirt and moisture. It will not deform over time and is more durable and reliable than other products. Product link is given in the 28th link. 29. Idli Maker. Crafted from high-quality, food-grade stainless steel for superior durability, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance. The innovative square shape enhances steaming efficiency, providing even heat distribution for perfectly cooked idlis and dokla every time. Designed for versatility, the steamer is compatible with both induction and gas stoves. Product link is given in the 29th link. 30. Peeler. Blades can be rotated, combining 3 peelers, straight, zigzag and shredded, into one. The desired blades can be replaced by rotating the blades, and the fruit peeler can plan horizontally and vertically to adapt to different uses. 3 different blades can be used in different scenarios. Zigzag blades are mainly used for soft fruits such as cucumbers and tomatoes. Straight blades are mainly used to remove vegetables such as potatoes. Product link is given in the 30th link. 31. Electric egg boiler. Fill water till 25 ml mark for soft boil, fill till 50 ml mark for medium boil, and fill till 75 ml mark for hard boil. This user-friendly egg boiler has a built-in auto shut-off feature that turns it off as soon as the egg is boiled, and the LED indicator tells when the boil is done. Measuring cup that lets you measure the appropriate amount of water for each kind of boil and has a built-in pin to pierce the eggs before cooking to prevent cracking. Product link is given in the 31st link. 32. Milk frother. Whether you prefer thick, creamy foam or smooth, warm milk, the 170 ml frothing and up to 300 ml heating capacities cater to all your beverage needs. Tailor your coffee experience with 4 modes: warm thick foam, warm thin foam, warm milk, hot chocolate, or cold thick foam, perfect for any coffee preference. Enjoy cafe-quality beverages in the comfort of your home, making every coffee break a luxurious experience. Product link is given in the 32nd link. 33. Idli Maker Mold. Designed for efficiency, our molds help you make perfect idlis with less batter waste, saving time and ingredients. The superior non-stick silicone ensures easy idli release and quick cleanup. Enjoy evenly shaped, soft, and fluffy idlis every time. Flexible design makes steaming and serving a breeze. Crafted from high-quality, BPA-free, and non-toxic silicone for safe and durable use. Heat-resistant from -40 degrees Celsius to 230 degrees Celsius, making it ideal for steaming, baking, microwaving, and even freezing. More than just idlis. Use it for dokla, cupcakes, steamed dumplings, and more. Idli mold. You easily steam cook perfectly shaped idlis that are quick to serve, in molds that are easy to clean. Place the silicone idli mold on the idli plate, pour the batter onto the silicone idli mold, steam cook for 8 to 10 minutes. Wait for 2 minutes before removing idlis. Push the silicone idli mold from the back to remove the idlis. Perfect shaped idlis are ready to eat. When not in use, store the molds in a closed box or container. Product link is given in the 33rd link. 34. Curd maker. Specifically designed for hygienic, quick drainage, making it ideal for paneer, hung curd, nut milk, coconut milk, and juicing. Product link is given in the 34th link. 35. Dish rack. With drainer comes with expandable tray. The main department of the shelf can organize bowls, plates, cups, mugs, pot lid, pans, etc. The detachable cutlery box can hold chopsticks, knives, forks. Product link is given in the 35th link. 36. Stool. Offers steady, reliable seating for those who need extra care. Help your loved ones feel safe while bathing, reducing the risk of slips. Product link is given in the 36th link. 37. Dancing robot. Can move forward and backward, turn left and right. Hands can rotate and feet can move in all directions. Keep your little ones occupied with this dancing and moving robot. Premium materials. Bot Robot Pioneer is made of quality material, safe, simple and easy to use. Absolutely safe for your kids as it is non-toxic. Product link is given in the 37th link.